In front of me is REDBEAT E3, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!